you've taken the first steps toward better oral health, bright clean teeth, healthy gums, and fresher breath. Remember, unlike ordinary single-headed brushes that clean only one tooth surface at a time, 30-second Smile's 6 microbrushes surround your teeth in soft bristles, automatically cleaning the top, bottom, front, back, and biting surfaces all at the same time. That's why brushing only 30 seconds is like brushing 3 minutes with any single-headed brush.
I'm actually the director of a hospital dental residency program at a major health science center here in the United States. And being actively involved in taking care of patients, especially those with lots of systemic disease and would need to make their lives a little easier to take care of or provide good oral health care, that was how really I got involved. With our patients, like every other dental office, you've got a tremendous amount of gingivitis, periodontal disease. By introducing 30-second Smile into our practice, what we saw immediately was that turnaround. You had patients who, as hard as they try to, just can't clean each and every surface of their teeth. But with 30-second Smile, they don't have to, the brush does. And that's the biggest difference for us. And certainly the results we're seeing are just amazing. I have a university practice, as well as I have several private practices out in Southwest Georgia. One of the most innovative changes, or let's say one of the best changes that I saw, was with one of my developmentally disabled kids. I had a young man who was a quadriplegic. He's looking at me, I'm evaluating his oral health care, and it was atrocious, just very difficult. His exact words to me were, Dr. Pruett, no one will help me brush my teeth. I can't do it. Immediately I thought of 30-second Smile. If I could give a healthcare provider an opportunity to clean this young man's teeth in 30 seconds, well, guess what? They're going to be more likely to use it. And sure enough, we gave them the product, the gentleman's using it, and the results are tremendous. I think I saw him back on a 2-week protocol, and in 2 weeks, it was day and night difference from the time that he first came in and presented to our clinic. And in his own words, hey, this is life-changing. With 30-second Smile, as I mentioned, I was somewhat skeptical. I mean, take a look at this brush. It's certainly different than anything you've ever seen. You're used to that single little head on a toothbrush. This thing has heads on top, heads on bottom. It's got brushes everywhere. So, like anybody else, most of my patients for sure, I gave it a try. And when you give it a try, it's just outstanding. Here you are, you go from having to concentrate on getting each and every surface of your own mouth clean to now the machine does it, the brush. I mean, it's phenomenal. 30-second Smile, it's in, it's out. You know you're going to get a great result each and every time. With 30-second Smile, as a dentist, what I see that's most innovative is the fact that with any other toothbrush, it's the patient doing all the work. With a 30-second Smile, it's actually the brush doing the work. And of course, the way I look at it is operator error with a regular toothbrush, that's the big issue. With 30-second Smile, there is no operator error. The brush does it right, does it effectively each and every time. As a dentist, I provide lots of oral care. I place crowns, fillings, you name it, we fix it for patients. I tell a patient each time I do a restoration on them, the best it's ever going to be is that day. And that what they can do for me to help prolong the life of that restoration is going to be to take good care of it. Now, how do you take good care of a restoration? As I've begun to show my patients, 30-second Smile. I, as a dentist, and I, as a 30-second Smile user, will tell you that this morning, when I brush my teeth, I look in the mirror, put toothpaste on, in, out, and run my tongue over the back of my teeth, and it feels just like I had my hygienist clean them. As a dentist, one of the most difficult things to do is to try to show someone how to brush their teeth appropriately. No matter how hard you try, no matter how much time you spend, patients just sometimes can't get the hang of proper tooth care. Therefore, it's so wonderful to have a device like 30-second Smile that does it automatically.
30-second Smile's 6 microbrushes surround your teeth in soft bristles, getting into every nook and cranny, perfectly cleaning the front, the back, and the biting surfaces of your upper and lower teeth all at the same time. So what used to take 2 to 3 minutes now takes only 30 seconds.